HubSpot Grow conference, and together with me is Kipp, CMO of HubSpot.
So nice to be here. Thanks for having me.
We are going to talk a little bit about content marketing today, and
Great.
then we'll explore with you the global perspective of how content marketing is doing. Marketing is part of an inbound strategy. So why and how well does it work?
Yeah, so if you think about content marketing really started, consumers were frustrated with interruptive forms of advertising and marketing, cold calling, TV commercials, marketing that really detracted from the experience they were trying to have in their day-to-day life. And the interesting thing about content marketing, you're creating content that provides value to your prospective customer. And they're discovering that, whether it be through search engines, through social media. And so instead of saying, hey, my product is amazing, you're saying, hey, I can help teach you something about our industry or our market.
Can you share with us a little bit more about the companies that are doing well with content marketing?
If you think about content marketing, it really works for a wide range of businesses. And so if you think about global brands, on the consumer side, you have a company like Glossier, which is an online makeup company that does remarkable content marketing around their products, around the problems that face their customers. In the B2B markets, you have awesome niche companies doing really great content marketing. Like, for example, we have a company that sells plastic sheeting that you use in manufacturing and a whole host of things. And they have an amazing blog, and tens of thousands of people read their content that's around the topic of building facilities, manufacturing every month. That's the beauty of content marketing. It's applicable from a broad consumer-based business to something like all the way down to a niche B2B company.
When we talk about business, right, it's very hard for us to detach strategies from ROI. So how does content marketing help businesses with their ROI?
The first part here is you want to think about, like, what is the opportunity, what is the leverage of content marketing? And really, if you compare content marketing to traditional forms of advertising, for example, advertising works, but you pay some money, and as soon as you're done paying money, the ads stop, and the benefits, the leads, the awareness, all of that stops right then. Whereas if you publish a piece of content, and let's say Google indexes it and people find it through a search, people find it the day you published it, the day after you published it, the month after you published it. So you do the work once for months and years worth of benefit. And that's really why the ROI of content marketing is effective, because it has this real long tail of results. And then it comes down to, like, actually measuring what those results are. You need to have some type of analytics product, HubSpot, Google Analytics, something that you can tie in to understand this is the content, this is how it's performing.
What do you think are the kind of mindset change that businesses need to have for content marketing strategies to be?
Yeah, if you think about content marketing, it's a compounding effect over time. So if you think with advertising, you can spend a whole bunch of money and see immediate return from that spend tomorrow, where content stacks and compiles over time. So it is a little bit of a build up to that. So I think if you're a business and you're going to have an effective content and inbound marketing strategy, you fundamentally have to have the right kind of time horizon on how you're thinking about the return on that investment.
Would you recommend that businesses take just a pure content marketing approach?
Yeah, I think every business is going to have a mix of marketing channels. And I think depending on your business and your strategy, it's going to depend which marketing channels you use. That being said, I think most businesses that I've worked with, talked to, are very underinvested in content marketing, and they should make it a larger part of their marketing mix and one of the more dominant strategies that they have across their marketing mix.
Let's talk a little bit about the future of content marketing. Virtually across all industries, the hot topic right now is AI. What are some of the hottest AI developments that you see in the content marketing industry?
What you're starting to see with AI is content recommendations. I think where you're actually going to see it come in is actually in the creation process. Things like recommending images to use in articles, title suggestions, make that process far less manual for the creator.
With all these future developments, like, looking into AI, right? How do you think that it will change the way that content marketing will be done and consumed?
I think how content consumed is changing a lot. People are consuming more audio content, more video content, and that's going to play a big role just in the future of content marketing in general. I think you're going to continue to transition over into the content marketing world where people are going to be consuming more and more from a business that's doing an effective job of telling stories and has really valuable content.